Activists in northern Nigeria are campaigning for tougher laws to punish those convicted of child sex abuse as more families of young victims step forward to break the culture of silence surrounding the issue and demand justice. Chika Oduah reports from Kaduna.
The accused has a case to answer.
Mercy Phillip is doing what many don't dare in northern Nigeria. She is working through the court system to jail the neighbor she says raped her 8-year-old daughter. She and her lawyer prepare for court.
Anytime that I remember what happened, I used to cry, and mostly at night I do cry.
Barrister Bukola Ajao is among the activists lobbying Kaduna State to approve the Federal Child Rights Act of 2003. Of Nigeria's 36 states, just 11, all in the country's north, have not ratified it. Instead, those states use Sharia courts and a colonial-era penal code to prosecute child sex abuse.
But the present child's right law, which we're trying to push in Kaduna, gives 14 years without fine. So when the punishment is stringent and it goes like that, then you have people being deterred.
Seeking justice can come at a price. Some in the community the Phillips lived in ridiculed the family, forcing them to move. Their daughter says her classmates would throw stones at her and laugh. Child sex abuse carries a stigma, and Barrister Ajao says most families succumb to societal pressures and end up settling for cash payments. The most recent available nationwide statistics are from a 2014 UNICEF-supported study. It revealed that 1 in 4 girls and 1 in 10 boys in Nigeria experience sexual violence before the age of 18. Borao Diku Teaching Hospital in Kaduna is authorized to submit medical reports in cases of suspected child sex abuse.
Nearly on a daily basis, there will be one form of abuse or the other. And that is quite alarming in view of the fact that quite a negligible fraction actually get reported to the hospital. And if that can happen on a daily basis, you can imagine what will be going on out in the society.
This orphanage has become a safe place for abused children. A young mother named Ladi is here. She has allowed VOA to show her face. She says she can't go to court, as it was her father who raped her young daughter.
My daughter was covered in blood. I picked her up and just stood there. She was someone I had always respected, so I didn't say anything to him. I picked her up and went to town with her in the morning.
One 7-year-old boy says he was walking to school when a fruit seller lured him into the back of his shop. The abuse went on until the boy complained to his uncle about pains in his body.
I wrote the police statement myself. A lot of my friends first suggested we all go and beat him up, but I didn't because of what could follow. Other people were telling me just to leave the matter because the man is too old, but what he did was serious. The judgment passed was not enough, but still I thank God there was some sort of judgment.
When asked if he is teased at school, the boy begins to cry. The fruit seller was found guilty of sodomy with a minor and is currently serving a 3-year jail sentence. Chika Oduah for VOA News, Kaduna, Nigeria.